Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Kambria.
Ahoy hoy, Sienna.
And we are
Two in the middle.
We're also currently two in the middle of doing crafts.
Construction paper.
So what we were doing today is we looked at the page 5 Minute Crafts, and for any of you who have actually seen them, you'll know that they're pretty fun. They have a lot of fun ideas and fun crafts that I think we all enjoy. And so I thought, let's just enjoy them together, you know? This first one, is gonna be a little craft for the kids.
What's up, party people? Kambria here.
Ahoy boy, I'm Sienna.
And we're two.
Cause
I mean, I'm like not really a kid, but I still think that you can do a kid craft.
well, yeah. Well, they show on the video an adult putting it together, so
But it's for kids to play with.
it is for kids to play with. Or adults. We might as well just say adults can play it.
Yeah, anyone.
We don't judge. So, let's get started. Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm gonna
Are you
follow your
nervous?
I'm gonna follow your lead because you're really good at crafts.
Are you nervous?
She's a crafty person. A little bit.
Are you nervous?
A little bit.
Okay. And, you know, we both do a lot of crafts in our lives, in our daily lives. I personally know how to sew and do a lot of cosplay crafts and that type of a thing.
I'm not quite so crafty, actually. I'm crafty in other ways. Not.
You arrange flowers.
Yeah, that's exactly crafty in other ways. I wouldn't necessarily say arranging flowers is crafty, but it's creative and fun.
I'd say it's pretty crafty, you know? Comment if you think that arranging flowers is a craft.
So I know a lot of great wedding day tricks, hacks, and crafts. So we're going to be putting those to the test as well.
Yes.
Definitely coming up. I know I have my wedding dress that will probably fit you now, actually, because it probably won't fit me.
Somebody's
But-
getting married. Not me.
Somebody's gained weight since they got married. But
Alright.
that's okay because I'm going to be able to use the dress on camera. So
Don't forget, like and subscribe to this video and all our other cool videos that are coming out soon.
also turn on those notifications so that way you know when we upload new content, which is going to be all the time.
So, first what we're going to do is we are going to take the opposite ends of our paper and just fold it in half.
It looks like you already folded yours in half, Kambria.
That's right. I
Wait,
did.
so we're doing corner to corner, so horizontal. So is that horizontal? Okay, horizontally,
Horizontal.
right?
Next, the
Right.
other side.
Oh, okay.
You want both sides to be like it, please?
Ooh, yes. I'm not very good at origami. We got this.
We got this. All right.
Okay.
So our next step, take this side. No,
Wait.
this side. Yeah.
Okay. Wait.
Mine's facing the right way. Yours is too.
Okay.
Don't worry, we got this.
Oh, I
And
know.
we're going to fold these up.
5 minute crafts, though, sometimes you got to put them to the test. So
Like
we're
everything.
putting them to the test.
We got it. We got it.
Oh, wait. Like everything?
Like
We
everything.
put everything to the test. Especially men. Put men to the test.
Don't
Do.
be mean.
You can be a
All right.
little mean.
Do you have your flaps?
No. But you can be a little mean. It's okay.
Get your flaps.
Sometimes they need it.
Get both of them.
Yeah, okay. Got it.
Got it. Okay. Now,
Uh-huh.
one side.
Ooh.
Well, both sides down.
Okay, so the
Like-
fold the flap down.
Yeah.
How much?
Pretty much this much.
Pretty much. Wait,
A
how much?
smidge. About a
Let's
good
see.
chunk.
Show. Yeah. Okay. Show.
show.
How much? Because I don't know how much that is.
It's a good.
I don't know. Okay. Yeah.
It's a good
Alright, so maybe like this much. That felt like the same amount of chunk.
Yeah, it's the same.
Okay. So same chunk on both sides, maybe.
Yep.
Okay.
Make sure they're even.
Oh God, I'm not good at that. Okay.
There we go.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, we're doing it. We're making magic
Okay.
happen.
Ooh.
So you take the first part.
The first flap.
Yep. Fold
Okay.
it down pretty much all the way.
Is this origami?
This is.
Oh my gosh, I love it.
And
This
then, yes.
Okay, like kind of
Yeah.
like that chunk.
Yeah.
See,
And then
so
you take the next one.
guess we'll see.
And
Maybe
you
this.
fold it down.
Wait a minute. This might
slightly.
determine who wins this race. This might determine who wins the race.
So you fold this one down. Not as much, but halfway up to the other one.
Oh wait. Okay. Hold on. I think I didn't do it.
Alright, so get your other one just about halfway.
Okay.
Down
Last
the
flat.
other.
Okay.
Then
Mm-hmm.
we take this,
Yes.
flip it over.
Ooh, little flip skis, huh?
Little flip skis.
Okay. Origami.
Don't say it like that.
Oh, sorry.
Next,
Origami.
we fold it, the edges in.
You can edit that out.
No, it's fine. It's fine. Fold it like that.
Wait, this way?
Yes.
Okay, yeah.
So you can see your little lines.
Oh my
Show
gosh!
them off.
Magic!
You go on the other side. So you fold the two outer edges in.
Okay.
So you can see all the nice little folds you did before.
On the other side.
Yes.
The flip side!
On the flip side, as the cool children say.
Well, they're just the children.
Fold both of them.
Oh.
So you have
Okay.
like little wings. So you can fly away.
I feel like my frog is having issues. Okay, got it. All right.
Alright, so now we need our string.
Oh, okay.
And I have our scissors.
And I have our string.
Alright.
I have our string.
She has it.
The string.
So, I mean, make yours like same
How-
length as mine.
How long are we? Okay.
We're gonna make it. We gotta make it kind
So
of.
wait, do yours and then I'll. So do yours and I'll do mine.
Okay. Just gonna let this fall to the floor. That's
Do it.
beautiful.
Let it go to the floor.
There we go. Beautiful. So I have mine
Okay.
pretty long.
Pretty long. Because it's gonna go on either side.
Oh, an arm's length folded over.
Oh, it's folded over like that. Oh, okay.
Yes.
So it needs to be twice this long. Got it.
Yes.
Mine does.
Yes.
Because I'm just doing it like this. Okay.
And we're gonna be racing.
And I'm gonna win.
Well, if this works,
True.
if this works, perhaps you will win.
Perhaps.
The
Okay.
odds are ever in your favor.
Oh, God, don't cut me. Don't cut me. Okay. Oh, perfect. That was great.
All right.
Okay. All
Now-
right. Let me give you teamwork.
Two idiots with string.
In the middle.
In.
What?
Nice.
Okay.
All right. So we take our string, and
Yes.
we want the hook part, the middle,
Uh-huh.
to go on top of our little bird frog things,
Our creations.
our creations. Then we're gonna take some glue and just glue
Wait,
down.
so this is really important that we do this the same length then, so that way it's not uneven, right?
That's why we did it the same length.
Oh.
That's why I had us
Because it's
measure
gonna. Wait a minute, I got it. I was
We did
stupid.
it.
Okay.
Right. So we have our string going out of the top, the flat edge of our
Frogs.
frogs.
Something.
Stat.
Oh.
Stat.
What?
Stat.
What?
Can you open this?
Oh, our glue. Really? You can't open the glue?
It hurts my hands. And I
Failure.
need my hands for tomorrow.
Thanks, Stat. Saving
Tomorrow.
the day again.
I'm starting. a new
Okay.
job. Woo!
Yeet!
Athletes. Thank you, Stat.
And we're actually going to be doing our own Summer Olympics this year since the Summer Olympics are canceled.
That's a good idea.
That's a fantastic
great
idea.
idea.
Oh, I know. Well, we should do it all summer.
Every day.
At least once a week. We could do different marathons.
Marathons. Got it.
So, guys, let us know what we should do.
Yeah.
And do your own Summer Olympics.
Give
Because
us some ideas.
Yes.
You know? Like the Office Olympics. Like on the Office with the show.
that's such a great idea.
Alright, so take your glue, only put it in the middle, don't let it touch your strings.
Okay.
Okay?
I'm going to try not to.
You don't want it to mess it up.
Ooh.
You're gonna keep it on
Gorillas
here.
made this glue?
Yes, actually.
Gorillas make glue?
They do. They make excellent glue. They start early in the morning, harvesting the glue.
That's what makes it so strong. Oh, wait.
Alright,
Is this going to work?
it's gonna work. You just
Okay.
we gotta keep it still for
Okay.
just a little bit.
Well, I don't have a hot glue gun. so.
Yeah, this was supposed to be with a hot glue gun, but we improvised because
I actually feel like Gorilla Glue is gonna work better on this, personally. But we might be wrong.
Hey, Stat, we have something to stick on here to weigh down.
Oh, wow. She needs to do everything for us. Yeah, that works. Just the
No,
book. Yeah, that
it's
works.
just
Yeah.
hand us something.
Yeah.
You weren't ready.
Okay,
All
is
right,
that gonna
so
work?
it'll hold them down while we get started on our next craft. All right, for our next craft, you crazy crafters out there who are following along with us, we are taking these twigs we found outside.
Really? We found these outside? Not inside?
Yes, actually. You smart ass. Why do you have to? Don't put me down like that.
I wasn't. I was, okay. Wait, do you want to switch twigs? Mine's better.
I like my twig. I picked this one.
Oh,
It's darker.
you picked both of them.
I did, but I want this one.
Different colors. Okay. All right.
So we're going to take our fingers and use this as according to 5-minute crafts. Dip them in hot wax.
Be careful. Dipping your fingers in hot wax.
I don't think this should be something done by children. I know children watch the channel though because we did our fun little craft from earlier for children.
Yes. But we also are dipping our fingers in cold water, so hopefully they don't burn off.
I don't think they will.
No, of course not.
After all,
I like ice though.
you're gonna eat it? You get that piece of ice? Good.
Do you want one?
Not yours. I don't want your finger dipped ice, please. That's for you. Anyway, you asked about my leg. My leg is fine. The other day it popped twice, but now it's finally feeling better. Oh look, and here's Stat with the hot wax. Wow. The glass is hot.
I still have a piece of ice in my mouth.
You gonna spit it somewhere?
I'm gonna swallow it. I'm gonna swallow it whole.
Okay. So, get like 3 or 4 of your fingers together.
Okay.
Like, make a little mouth,
Yeah.
like a little monster mouth.
Okay. All right. I have nails. I wonder if that's gonna make a difference.
We'll see. And then you're just gonna dip them in.
Okay.
Okay, you can go first.
Don't be a chicken. I'm oldest. I'll go first, of course.
This candle currently smells delightful. It smells like a Christmas tree.
Are my fingers in the wax? Oh, they are.
Okay, you
Okay.
did it.
I didn't even feel it.
Now
Cambria.
dip it in the ice.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh, before and after? Okay.
No, you're supposed to only do it after.
Oh.
You dumbass.
It didn't work.
Because you didn't put them in after.
Oh, I did! But I did before. Wait, okay, do
You
it.
should. Let's see.
I did it wrong then.
Okay, I can barely get my hand in this.
Oh.
Such a small jar.
Maybe that's the problem. Oh, is it
Okay,
too?
you keep them together
Uh-huh.
like a little flower.
Uh-huh.
Ice them.
Okay.
It's working. I
Yeah.
can feel it hardening.
Oh, okay.
And then once it's hardened, just ever so carefully, just
No.
make a mess of it.
No. Maybe we should try a different kind of candle.
Maybe we should put the candle in something we can actually dip our hands in.
Okay.
Something
Yeah.
a little deeper. So,
Take 2.
We transferred the hot wax into another container, so hopefully we can get it in there. Don't swish it around
Oh,
because then it's
sorry.
getting colder on the
Okay,
edge.
we'll just try it.
So take our hands again,
Okay.
dip it in there, get it really in there now.
Oh, yeah, that's much better. I think this is gonna work.
I hope it's gonna
Oh,
work.
Cambria, that looks great.
Okay, let's see. Ice water.
Okay.
Let it get hard.
Ooh. Okay.
Well, you know the ice
Ooh.
wax
Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah.
starts to.
That was really quick, though. That was too. No, that was too quick.
Okay, well one of my
I
fingers
think-
came out.
We let it.
No.
No.
Ah, so close. Hang on. You know, this is why you gotta break a couple wax fingers of your hand.
Let me try.
To-
wait, I haven't.
to make
Wait,
a-
let me try with this hand.
Oh, that hand, definitely.
This is gonna make all the difference.
You keep doing that. I'm gonna fix mine.
Okay.
You
Okay.
can do it. You can do it. You can do it.
No, I know. I'm just trying to figure out like if it just needs to be a quick, and then.
Fuck.
No.
This is why we try these with you guys.
Huh.
If you're at home with your hands covered in wax, let us know.
Is this supposed to be a craft?
It is. This isn't craft. This is art.
I just have a lot of wax. I mean, I like to dip my fingers in wax, just to be fair, honestly. I'd rather just do that. Wait, hold on.
Oh, she's building. She's building. I'm gonna try this again.
Art!
This is perfect.
It's not really
We're
working.
two do-it-yourself ladies.
Wait, okay, let me try to dip my hands fingers multiple times and do like layers and see if that makes a difference. Ooh.
Oh, nope, I got one.
Oh. Okay.
They just perfectly come on to my
Maybe we should try different wax.
This is a disaster so far.
Maybe we should let's try different wax to be fair. Let's try different wax so we can say that we tried everything.
Okay.
Because I don't, well, so let me,
This is really, it's not working in my
wait, let me
favor.
do like some layers here.
Yeah.
And then,
Yeah.
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 See if that'll do it.
Perhaps.
Perhaps. Ooh, wow.
Ooh, yes. Mine's looking...
Kambria, yours
Like
is coming
art.
along nicely.
You know what? Anyone will walk into your house and say, "What
Art.
is that?"
They'll say, and you'll say art.
This is
Art. Don't
homemade
be
crafts.
ignorant. It's art.
Gosh, if I have to explain it to you,
You don't get
you
it.
don't get it. So, it's art.
Art, man.
Oh,
People pay thousands of dollars for these things. We're gonna start a bidding war on eBay. Wait, okay, I just dipped this how many times? 3 times.
I don't know. I wasn't counting.
It was like 3 times, I think.
Okay,
Well, we could do a playback. Okay,
ready?
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 Okay.
Ah! She got one. Okay, that looks.
All right, so we want to give all of these crafts a fair shot. So, to be fair, the last candle that I had was kind of a cheap candle. And we were able to get some sort of result from it. It took 3 layers of me. But we're gonna try to do a different candle. This is the other candle we're going to try.
Now, how
and,
cheap is this candle?
I don't, maybe less cheap.
Okay, hopefully my hands do feel nice and
Nice and
moisturized from that last candle, and mine is coming together. I don't know about yours.
I think mine looks great.
I mean, who's
I like
to
the
say?
clear nail mark that's in my.
Oh,
It's art.
it's just like flowers in real life.
Art.
Oh, we're getting close.
All
Look
right.
at this
So we
shit.
almost have enough candle wax.
Let's just drip it all over our hands.
Oh, put your hand out.
Yes. He's getting close up of yours. It's a craft I'm not good at so far, but I'm
Well,
enjoying it.
I don't know whose fault it really is that it's bad. Is it ours or is it the person's whose idea it was?
It was definitely yours. You're the one who wanted to do this one.
Oh yeah, that's true.
That is true.
Okay.
All right.
From where?
All right, baby. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna make some crafts. I'm gonna make you a star. Okay?
A star.
A star. Now I want to see your name. I'm gonna see it right up there in those bright lights, those big bright lights of Hollywood. What's your name, sweetheart? What's your name?
I've always dreamed of Hollywood.
What's your name?
Sienna?
All right, let's see it right there. Oh, you see it? There it is. Sierra.
Oh, I
Big bright
see
lights. It's gorgeous. It's glowing. It's great. I need $1 million, sweetheart, and then you're good. You're sold. I'll be your talent agent. Also, we're gonna change this and that and this and that, and we're gonna swing it all around, and then maybe we can make a movie out of you. Okay? I'm not
Whatever
sure how much
you
of a
want.
talent it is.
I'll take my glasses off right now. It's all yours.
Cut.
Oh my god, Sienna, I cannot believe you just did that. It really has to go on the burn
It's
pile.
fine.
At the end,
Oh.
it's all destroyed.
Cut!
All right. If you enjoyed this craft video and want to see others by us, go ahead and give us a subscribe.
Also, comment below on some other crafts you want us to do, and we should review.
For sure. Don't forget, we have our Instagram and our Twitter. I'm going to be posting a lot of cool things on there. And of course, as always, you'll remember us, Kambria,
Sienna,
two in the middle.
Adios.